Welcome back to Luxury Drive Society. Today we're diving deep into something truly special, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper luxurious van, a vehicle that completely redefines what it means to travel in comfort, style, and authority. This isn't just a van, and it's definitely not just a camper. It's a rolling luxury suite designed for those who want first-class living wherever the road takes them. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper makes a powerful statement. GMC has retained the iconic boxy Savana silhouette, but elevated it with premium limo-style upgrades. The front fascia looks bold and commanding with a large chrome grille, refined LED headlights, and subtle daytime running lights that give it a modern edge. The extended body length instantly hints at the luxury hidden inside, while tinted panoramic side windows add privacy and a sleek executive look. Depending on the configuration, you'll notice high-end alloy wheels, side steps for easy access, roof-mounted climate units, and integrated solar panels that support off-grid adventures. The rear is clean and purposeful, often featuring custom tailgate lighting, backup cameras, and premium badging that quietly says this is no ordinary Savana. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper truly shines. The cabin feels more like a high-end hotel lounge than a vehicle. Plush leather seating dominates the interior, with fully reclining captain chairs, heated and ventilated functions, and generous legroom thanks to the extended wheelbase. Many builds include a luxury partition separating the driver from the rear lounge, complete with smart glass for privacy at the touch of a button. Ambient LED lighting runs across the ceiling and side panels, allowing you to set the mood whether you're relaxing, entertaining guests, or winding down for the night. The layout is designed for both travel and living. You'll find a premium entertainment system with a large flat-screen display, surround sound speakers, and connectivity for streaming, gaming, and business presentations. Fold-out tables, wireless charging pads, and multiple USB-C ports ensure every passenger stays connected. The kitchenette area is compact yet luxurious, featuring a refrigerator, microwave, coffee machine, and custom cabinetry finished in wood, carbon fiber, or piano black trims depending on the spec. Storage is smartly integrated throughout the van, so nothing feels cluttered even during long trips. As a camper, the sleeping arrangements are surprisingly impressive. The rear seating can transform into a comfortable full-size bed, while some configurations offer an additional overhead sleeping area or a dedicated rear bedroom. High-density mattresses, blackout curtains, and sound insulation make sleeping inside the Savana Limo Camper quiet and restful. The bathroom setup varies by build, but top-tier versions include a compact wet bath with a toilet, shower, sink, and premium fixtures, making this van fully self-contained for long journeys. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper delivers strength and reliability rather than flashy speed. Under the hood, you can expect a powerful V8 engine or an updated turbocharged V6, depending on market and configuration. These engines are built for heavy loads and smooth cruising, producing strong torque that makes highway driving effortless even with a fully equipped camper setup. The transmission is smooth and refined, tuned to deliver comfort rather than aggressive shifts. Despite its size, the Savana feels stable and confident on the road, thanks to upgraded suspension systems, reinforced chassis components, and advanced braking technology. Driving comfort has clearly been a priority. Road noise is well insulated, the steering feels controlled, and long-distance journeys are surprisingly relaxing. Advanced driver assistance features are available, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and a high-resolution surround view camera system. These features make maneuvering such a large luxury van far less intimidating, even in urban environments. Now let us talk about pricing, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap, but it does deliver serious value for what you're getting. The base 2026 GMC Savana van starts at a relatively reasonable price, but once you step into the limo camper conversion, the cost rises significantly. Depending on the level of customization, materials used, technology installed, and camper features included, prices can range from around $120,000 and easily exceed $200,000 for fully bespoke builds. While that may sound steep,